Hi, Green Crypto here. One of my DeFi positions had got out of range, so I need to weigh my options what I will do about it. But before I keep going, the other me have some words to say. Hi, Green Crypto here. If you find this video useful, please consider liking and subscribing to support the channel. I would really appreciate it. Thank you. My main use case for this position, my DeFi CL60 ETH-USDC on Uniswap base, is to generate me cash flow so I can use it to pay some of my ordinary expenses. And if you want to know how I do that, you can check out my other video about EtherFi. So about my position, right now it's 2,858 to 3,127. So a 9% range. And I have some options that I can do. I can do a passive rebalance that will say I just put my range under the price of ETH right now. That is one of the options I most use. I can also do an active rebalance. I put it just over, but with the same range, 9%. I can do a full rebalance that go like 4.5% on both sides, or I can increase my range, like if I like my 2,858 range at the bottom range. I could do that both in active way or in a passive way. I should increase my range roughly on 3%. My fifth option would be to sit on my hands and wait to see what the market is doing. You can just jump over also to trading view, and we can see here is my bottom range and here is my top range. And like I said before, I have a 3% up roughly to the price of ETH right now. So I need to see like ETH price going down 3%. And with the uncertainty of the market right now, with everything that's going on with Greenland and there we say Fed meetings, change of Fed. We have some data coming out later this week. So I am a little bearish on the market. So right now I am more for sit on my hands and wait. And if I am wrong that the prices keep going up, I will probably do a passive rebalance and just wait to the price to come down a little and I start earning yield again. This position that I have, it's giving me roughly 30 to 80 bucks dollars a week when it's all in the range, have been all the week. The amount is can change, is moving depending on if I have been in range all the week or if it's just like 5 or 6 days. The range I have that I said is 9%, so it's pretty tight. I could actually expand it with, like I said, 3 to 4%, and that would also give me in range right now. So I will have something to think about, and I will probably decide tomorrow when I see how the market is going. So don't forget to subscribe to keep you updated on my decision. Until this, have a great day. Bye bye.